Hey children, how are you all? Hope you are doing great. Staying fit and healthy and staying inside your home. To make your stay inside your home more interesting, let's do some fun today. Let's do animal yoga together. But before that, let's look at the learning objectives and the resources we need for the activity. The resources needed are yoga mat and music, which is optional. The learning objectives are to enhance gross motor skills, to inculcate the concept of staying fit, to develop balance and coordination, to develop sensory awareness, and to enhance listening skills. Children, tell me, how many different animals have you seen around? Can you tell me their names? I'm sure you must have seen a dog, a cat, a cow, and in the rainy season we get to see frog too, isn't it? So today you will be learning about some wonderful animal yoga poses. So are you ready? The first pose is turtle pose. Here, sit with your legs stretched straight in front of you. Then place your feet flat and slide them closer to your body so your knees are bent. Now allow your knees to fall open and slide your hands under your ankles as shown. The benefit of this turtle pose yoga is it calms the mind. It is great for kids for mental focus and relaxation. Now we will move on to the next pose. The next pose is the frog pose. This is a very interesting and fun pose for children. Bring your feet apart, bend your knees on the floor and bring your hands together between your feet, just as shown in the picture alongside. Children, to make it more interesting, you can hop like frog and say ribbit, ribbit. The benefits of this yoga pose is it helps with digestion, it improves flexibility and posture, and also tones the legs. Now we will move on to our next animal yoga pose, and that is a cow pose. Here, come to all fours on your hands and knees. Now, as you inhale, children, inhale means to breathe in. When you breathe from your nose and take the oxygen or air inside your body, it is called as inhale. So, when you inhale, lift your chest and your tailbone towards the ceiling. Let your belly or your stomach relax towards the floor. Raise your head up. Press down into your knees and hands. Hold your pose and now say "Moo." So this is how you are supposed to do the cow pose. The benefits of this yoga pose are it helps with focus. It's a very powerful pose for mind and helps increase coordination, helps to calm the mind and controls emotional balance. Now we will look on to our next yoga pose, and that is cat pose. Here repeat the step to warm up your spine as you did in cow pose. You will feel energy flowing through your body. Stretch out the sides of the body. Exhale or breathe out while performing this activity. So can you just see that it looks like the cat pose is just the opposite of the cow pose. The benefits of this yoga pose is it increases flexibility of neck, spine and shoulder. It also helps with the focus and controls emotional balance. The next yoga pose is Camel Pose. Now, this is a very fun and challenging yoga pose for children. Sit on your knees, raise your body and let the tops of your feet rest on the floor as shown in the picture. Place your hands on your back with fingers pointing down. Lean backwards until your hands touch your heel. Hold this pose for a while. Now bring your hands to your lower belly and slowly come back to upright position. The benefits of this yoga pose are it helps improve posture, strengthens the back muscles, stretches front of the body and stimulates the internal organs. The next yoga pose is Lion Pose. This is a super fun yoga pose. Sit on your knees, then sit back on your heels as shown in the picture. Spread your fingers wide and press your hands on the floor in front of you between the legs. Take deep breath through your nose. Open your mouth and stretch out your tongue. Let your breath out through your mouth with a loud roar. Children, we saw some fun yoga poses right now. I hope you enjoyed doing these at home with your parents, your siblings, and your entire family. The benefits of the lion pose are it helps release energy and calms. It allows settle down peacefully. It helps stretch your hip and ankle. It helps process your speech skills, and also activates and strengthens the core muscles. So, till we meet next time, stay fit and take good care of your health by doing the yoga poses. Thank you.